Good morning. How y'all doing this morning? Erskine Johnson again. This is custom design development. This is what I do. It's what I love to do. Find something you like to do. Hey man, it won't be nothing to say, hey, I'm headed to work. But yeah, yesterday I was telling y'all I was gonna put mosaic in the bottom of the tub, the shower. So hey, I put mosaic in the bottom. I have it at an angle. It's probably kind of hard to see, but I'll put my level in there to kind of show you guys, hey, just a little rundown, little drop going back towards the drainage. That'll get it. I'm gonna click over here to the other side. Always good showing y'all my adventures and y'all joining in with me. Appreciate y'all. Check it out. All right, so we have our mosaic in the bottom of the tub. And there's our drain right there. So if you look, if you put your level there and you see your bubble is all the way to the back of the level, that shows that it's running downhill back towards your drain. So that's what you want. Let's go to this side. See your bubble. Shows it runs back to the drain. Okay, let's go to this side. See your bubble. So it's running right back towards the drain. Let's go to this side. Shows it's running right back towards the drain. We have enough drop to get us some water flow back to the drain. And that's what we want. So hey, doing a pretty good job. I think we're on it. I think everything is going great. Yeah, I'm gonna work a half a day today and get some more stuff done. So I'll be checking back with y'all later. Appreciate y'all. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy this wonderful weather. Thank you.